Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can see by the title, this is a clean with me video for my master bedroom. This is the current situation and how my son just threw everything. He's just a little tornado as always, but yeah, just look at this mess that he has in my room. So I definitely need to pick up my room and also clean my master bathroom. So for today's video, I am so excited because I am doing this video in collaboration with one of my good friends here on YouTube. Her name is Kristen, Leah and Family. That is her channel's name. I'm just going to go ahead and let her introduce herself.
Hey guys, my name is Kristen and I am a stay-at-home mom of 4 kids, and I do videos on cleaning, I do hauls, I do shop with me, organization, I do vlogs, day in the life. Anything motivational, I am doing it on my channel, and I would love for you to come by and watch my video once you're done watching Maritza's. And if you see what you like on my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button.
So after you guys are done watching my video, please make sure you go ahead and check out Kristen's video. I will have her video linked in the description box below, so go ahead and show her some love. So after opening my drapes, the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and start by doing is just picking up everything that my son threw, like all of his diapers. He just loves to just take them out of the bag. I actually just keep a bag here in my room since he actually still sleeps with us, and usually I actually just put this under the bed. This is what I'm doing here now, but he just tends to just go underneath there and grab everything that he finds, and all of these clothes I need to actually put away, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do and just pick up everything else. So if you guys are stay-at-home moms, or if you are just moms in general, you guys know that our nightstands are just full of baby items. If you guys have a toddler or an infant, we always have things for them. And yeah, I'm just putting everything away that needs to get put away from my nightstand. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove all of my blankets and my sheets because it's time to actually wash them. So that's what I'm doing here. I usually like to go ahead and wash these weekly. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and just put them in the washer and just let them wash while I clean everything else. So now that my blankets and sheets are in the washer, I'm going to go ahead and start by cleaning everything that I have here on top of my nightstand, and just make sure I remove everything before I clean all of my mirrored furniture and just this mirror that I have also here behind my lamps. By the way, if you guys aren't following me on my Instagram, make sure you guys go ahead and check it out and follow me on there as well. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link to my Instagram in my description box below. So after dusting everything that I had on my nightstand and cleaning all of my mirrored furniture, now it's time to just put everything back in its place. Now I'm also going to clean above my bed, just because this metal chrome that it has around it does collect a lot of dust. So I just want to make sure I do remove all of that. So now it's time to clean my husband's side of the bed, and as you guys can see here on top of his nightstand, it's pretty much empty. He only has the lamp and he has the alarm clock that he actually uses as his alarm. So this is super simple for me to clean. My nightstand has so much things that I don't even know honestly why I keep them there, but you know, as I have the little floor decor piece and the candle, and I do need to keep the camera, and I just have other things that I don't necessarily need over my nightstand. But my husband's is just so simple that he never even keeps anything. Occasionally he keeps like a magazine or something, but that's it. So now it's time to go ahead and clean this floor mirror that I have here in my bedroom. And as you guys can see, I do have my fan on. It was just so hot on this day. Let me know where you guys actually are from and how the weather is where you live. So now that I'm done cleaning this floor mirror that I have here in my bedroom, I'm gonna go ahead and just spray this carpet cleaner that I do love to use, and it just smells so good. And I'm just gonna let it sit in while I actually clean my bathroom. So after cleaning my bathroom, I'm just gonna go ahead and go back and vacuum. So what I like to start by doing here in my bathroom, I just like to start by organizing anything that I have just laying around, and just put things away that need to get put away, and also just removing everything from our countertops. That way everything is just out of the way and I can go ahead and start cleaning my mirrors. So when I'm cleaning my mirror here in my bathroom, I definitely need to get on top of my countertops. That is definitely something I need to do because I can't reach all the way above onto the mirror. So I just climb up onto my countertops to get everything clean. Let me know if this is something you guys do. Of course, this is pretty much something only short people have issues with. So as you guys know, I am short, so this is something I always have to do. So now moving on to my sink area, I'm just going to go ahead and use scrubbing bubbles as always, and just spray it all over and just make sure I give it a good scrub. And just after scrubbing it, just rinse it off with water. So after cleaning both my sink areas, now it's time to go ahead and just clean my countertop area. And for this, I do like to use the Mrs. Meyers multi-surface cleaner. So once I finish cleaning my mirrors and my countertop areas and the sink areas, now it's just time to put everything back in its place. So moving on, now it's time to clean my bathtub, and for this I am going to be using Comet and Clorox to go ahead and clean my bathtub. Once in a while I do clean it with scrubbing bubbles as well. So once I make sure I scrub the whole bathtub and I feel like it's nice and clean, now I'm just going to get some water and rinse it off. So I just make sure to rinse off all of the Comet and the Clorox. The one last thing that I do like to do to my bathtub is just make sure I go in with some napkins and just wipe all of the water off from the bathtub just to make sure it's nice and clean. So now it's time to go ahead and clean my toilet, and for this I actually already had added the Clorox onto the toilet bowl, and I also added some Comet to go ahead and just make sure I scrub it down and make sure I disinfect it and have it nice and clean. So yeah, this is what I do like to do, and then I just get some toilet paper just to wipe everything off. So at this moment, I was actually ready to start vacuuming my bedroom. However, my battery actually did die on me and I didn't even realize it. I actually had vacuumed the whole thing and didn't even notice that the battery actually had died. So now that everything is nice and clean, the only two things that I need to do is just sweep and mop my floors. And the only thing that I didn't share with you guys here, or that you guys didn't see me cleaning, is my shower. And that's just because after cleaning all day long, I definitely needed a shower myself. So I actually cleaned my shower when I took a shower. Let me know if this is something that you guys actually do sometimes yourselves. So as you guys can see here, I already added the sheets onto my bed, and I'm not even going to bother making my bed today just because it is nap time for my son. So he is going to be taking his nap here on the bed. So I'm just going to put the blanket over him and he is going to be falling asleep. But I hope you all did enjoy this video. If you guys are new here to my channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button, and don't forget to go ahead and check out Kristen's channel and show her some love. Let her know that I sent you over.